Today we're making donuts. Here's what they look like. Okay, now this is what they look like after 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn them over. We'll cook them another 3 minutes on the other side. Then we're going to dip them in powdered sugar, cinnamon, and butter. And this is lemon, and this is powdered sugar. Now you got to be awful careful with this. It's hot. You can buy one of these for $10. I've had that for a long time. Okay, to make the stuff that goes in it, you'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it all together, and that's what it'll come out. And I'll show you what I'm going to do when I get ready to dip them. You'll need an airtight container. Here's what they look like after they're done. These are the lemons. These are the cinnamon and powdered sugar. And these are pure cinnamon and powdered sugar only. These last 3 is powdered sugar and brown sugar and cinnamon only. These are powdered sugar, cinnamon, and margarine, or butter, I mean. And these are just lemon and powdered sugar. I got tongue-tied there for a minute, couldn't think of what I was doing. Okay, and now I made some more. These are powdered sugar, butter, and cinnamon. Okay, it's time to start dipping them. They're about done. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, they look good. Okay, we're going to unplug these. Yes, and I've got a mess. You got that right. Okay. Stick them through the little hole. Let them dip. Drip all that stuff off of them. Okay, just lay them in your sugar. Okay, let's get another one. Okay, we're going to dip it over there in the powdered sugar. Now this recipe is very easy to make. You can buy one of these little donut makers at Walmart, about $10. I've had this one for a long time. I think mine come from Magic Mart. I've got a little pink one too. They make miniature donuts. That way you control what goes in them. Now you can freeze this for the next time you make them. Yes, I've got a big mess. Then we're going to take them and do them like this. You need to do this while it's hot. Okay. Mmm. That was good. Okay, to put after you mix your batter up, all you need is a tablespoon in that the little circles on the donut maker, and that's it. 6 of these, 6 teaspoons, and it makes 6 donuts. And here's what our donuts look like after they dry. Make sure you put these in an airtight container for at least 3 days is all they'll last. Then after that, you'll probably have to throw them out. Thanks for watching Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. This is one easy recipe. I need to get my comments up. Y'all have not been leaving a lot of comments. Y'all been watching, but no comments. Please leave a comment. Please leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And share it with your friends and family. And I do appreciate all my subscribers, new and old. Thanks for watching. Y'all made this channel what it is. But we at least need to get more comments down below. Thanks.